Module 3, Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that helps you organize, calculate, and analyze data using a grid made up of cells, rows, and columns. Think of it like a big table where you can enter numbers and text, do calculations automatically, create charts, and keep records such as budgets, lists, and reports. It is widely used in offices, schools, businesses, and even for personal tasks like managing your expenses or planning projects. To open Microsoft Excel, click the Start menu and find Excel in the Program list or search for Excel using the search box. Once you open Excel, you will see the Startup page where you can select a blank workbook or choose from ready-made templates. Templates are pre-designed files that can help you quickly start common tasks like making invoices, calendars, or budgets. Click on Blank Workbook to start entering data. The Excel workspace is made up of several important parts. The cells are small boxes where a column and a row meet. Each cell has a unique name based on its column letter and row number. For example, cell A1 means column A, row 1. The collection of cells makes up a worksheet, which is like one page of a notebook. Your entire Excel file is called a workbook, which can contain many worksheets. You can switch between worksheets by clicking on the Sheet tabs at the bottom. By default, Excel starts with one worksheet, but you can add more by clicking the plus icon next to the Sheet tabs. Rows run horizontally and are numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on. Columns run vertically and are labeled with letters A, B, C, and so on. To add a row or column, right-click on a row number or column letter and select Insert. This adds a new row above or a new column to the left. To delete a row or column, right-click on it and select Delete. You can adjust the size of rows and columns in 3 ways. First is auto resize, where you move your mouse to the right edge of the header until it turns into a double arrow, then double-click to automatically fit the widest content. Second is manual resize, where you click and drag the edge left or right until the size looks good. Third is using the menu where you right-click the column or row header, click column, width or row height, enter the desired number, and click OK. Changing column widths can help your data look clean and easy to read. The formula bar is located above the grid and shows the content or formula inside the selected cell. Even if a cell shows a calculated result, the formula bar shows how that result was calculated. You can edit formulas directly in the formula bar and press Enter to apply changes or S key to cancel them. To enter data, click on a cell to select it and start typing. Press Enter to move to the cell below, or Tab to move to the next cell on the right. To overwrite existing content, simply type over it. To edit within a cell, double-click it or use the formula bar. If you make a mistake, press backspace to delete characters or press delete to clear the entire cell. You can format cells to improve how your data looks. The fill color option changes the background color of a cell, which helps highlight important information. The borders option adds lines around cells to create table-like structures, which is helpful for reports or forms. Select the cell or range of cells, then go to the Home tab and the Number group to choose how numbers appear. You can format numbers as general, currency, percentage, date, time, and more. For example, if you are entering prices, you can choose Currency format, which automatically adds a currency symbol, like $sign before the amount. Alignment options let you control how text sits inside a cell both horizontally and vertically. You can align text to the left center or right, and align vertically to the top, middle, or bottom of the cell. Proper alignment makes your tables look more professional and easier to read. Excel allows you to perform calculations using formulas. Every formula starts with an equal sign. For example, typing equals sum A1 to A6 will add the values from cells A1 to A6. Formulas use cell references which tell Excel where to find data. This makes formulas dynamic because if the data in the cell changes, the formula result updates automatically. You can perform addition by typing equals A1 plus B1 to add values from A1 and B1. Subtraction is done with equals A1 minus B1. Division is done with equals A1 divided by B1 divided by B1. Multiplication uses equals A1 times B1. The sum function adds up multiple cells, like equals sum A1 to A5. The min function finds the smallest value in a range. The max function finds the largest. Count counts how many cells have data ignoring blank cells. Average adds all numbers and divides by how many numbers there are. Functions are powerful because they save you time and reduce mistakes. You do not have to calculate things manually. Excel does it for you instantly. Common mistakes include forgetting the equal sign, which makes Excel treat your formula as plain text, typing cell names incorrectly, which shows errors like name question mark, dividing by zero, which gives a division by zero error, and using wrong cell references, which gives incorrect results. Another useful feature is autofill. Autofill helps you quickly copy values or continue patterns without typing everything manually. Enter a value such as Monday or 1 in a cell, then move your mouse to the bottom right corner where a small square called the fill handle appears. Click and drag down or across, and Excel will automatically fill the next cells following the pattern. For example, if you type 1 and drag, Excel will fill 2, 3, 4, and so on. If you type January, Excel will continue with February, March, and so on. Autofill also works with formulas, adjusting the cell references automatically as you drag. This means you can create formulas once and apply them across multiple rows or columns without rewriting them. Excel can also create charts to visually represent your data. Charts make it easier to understand trends, comparisons, and patterns. First, select your data, including headers, then go to the Insert tab and choose a chart type such as column pie or line. Excel will insert the chart into your worksheet. You can move it, resize it, and customize it. Use the chart tools to change titles, labels, colors, and styles. For example, you can change the chart title to reflect your dataset, add data labels to show exact values, or switch colors to match your presentation style. Charts are useful for reports, presentations, and decision making because they make numbers easier to understand at a glance. Saving your work is very important to avoid losing data. To save your workbook for the first time, click File, then Save. As choose where to save, enter a file name and click Save. After that, you can save updates by clicking File then Save, or clicking the Save icon, or pressing Ctrl. And Excel files are saved with the extension .xlsx. You can also create backup copies or save different versions of your file. Remember to save your work often, especially when working on large files or important data. Microsoft Excel is a powerful and flexible tool that allows you to enter, organize, calculate, analyze, and present data clearly and professionally. By mastering cells, formulas, functions, formatting autofill charts, and saving, you can manage data efficiently. Keep practicing regularly, Explore new features and challenge yourself with small projects. The more you use Excel, the more confident and skilled you will become.